1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. There's a brighter day on the horizon. And the Lord restored Job's losses when he prayed for his friends. Indeed, the Lord gave Job twice as much as he had before. Job chapter 42, verse 10, New King James Version. Our lives can be very volatile and unpredictable. One moment, our bank accounts look good, our homes are paid for, our health is outstanding, and all seems well. However, within a day, or even that same day, things can completely change like they did for Job in Job chapter 1 and chapter 2, where he lost everything. As Job experienced, we can experience catastrophic losses in our lives. The Christian life is not immune to these events. However, we must also believe and trust in the power of change that God has in the palm of his hands. What Satan takes away, God can restore in this life or the one to come. However, we must still trust and praise the Lord as Job did during our catastrophic events. Remember, Job said, "Naked I came from my mother's womb, and naked shall I return there. The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord." Job chapter 1, verse 21. Job did not realize that it was actually Satan doing the works of havoc in his life. However, God was in the process of restoration and abundant blessing beyond what was taken from Job. How do you know he is not doing the same thing for you after your traumatic experience? God bless you. Thanks for listening. This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ, 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA, 35901. www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.